So Fast Lane is mostly a bowling alley. And if you want to buy a ticket for the roller coaster, you come to the basically where they pick up their shoes. I think that's where you purchase everything, except of course you got the bar here. So then you got to walk through the entire arcade, and it's over here. Little Rock, Arkansas was a bust, but I got this one. I'm missing one coaster in Arkansas, the one in Little Rock. That really tiny kiddie coaster. It goes it's like 3 feet at its highest point. Don't know if I'm even allowed to ride it or if I can even fit in it. But see, over here we got these bumper cars, we got a play structure, and some more arcade games. This is an E&F Miler kiddie coaster. They're cycling it through again. And this clearance right here, this is really tight. I did not put my hands up for that. Yeah, you may be okay with your hands up, but I didn't risk it. It looks a lot tighter when you're on the ride. It's kind of in a plain corner of the arcade. Kind of like the one up in Kansas City. They got a Python pit. Really, with a great lighting back there. You've got a really good presentation on that one. I'm glad that one worked out for me. Little Rock, Arkansas, I would not count on that one. This one seems to be pretty good though. They got a lot of other stuff going on, and they can just pull people from something else to run the coaster if need be. But it was $6 plus tax. It was like $6.57, I think, in total. Not bad. That was $4.98. I need to pick up one more somewhere so that I can have Velocicoaster set up for $500. So I was in and out in under a half hour. So here at Tulsa's Incredible Pizza, gonna do another SBF spinner. I'm starting to lose count of how many of these I've ridden. You do have to purchase the buffet in order to have access to this. And the ride costs $6.50. The buffet is $11 if you don't have any like junior, senior discounts. I got my 499th coaster credit. This is why I haven't done this yet. This is in my hometown. The only roller coaster in my hometown I hadn't done yet. And the reason why is because I wanted to save it in case I needed it. Trying to line up a milestone, which is what I'm doing. I'm about to go down to Florida to get Velocicoaster, so I want that to be number 500. So sitting at $4.98, I could come do this for $4.99. And this is probably the best of these SBS spinners I've done. Sometimes with some of these SBS spinners, I don't get any spinning at all, or very, very little. This one actually had a few rounds there where it seemed to slingshot us. Lots of other things. They have mini bowling over there, bumper cars. Over here we got go-karts. Different prices for everything, of course. Now, I actually had 2 Incredible Pizza cards from years and years ago. And it was really cool. They actually, when I turned those 2 cards in, there's nothing they can do with those cards, and there's no money on those cards. They just gave me $5 for each one. So I basically got the spinning coaster for free. It's $6.50, but for me it was nothing. I just had to pay for the buffet, which was about $12 with tax, plus a tip if you want to do that, which I did. A big You got a big game room. Got another ride here, which is $550. I don't have enough left. I only have $350 left now. Got mini golf. And the food is pretty good. I actually have already gotten a couple plates and got decent variety here. And for an $11 plus tax dinner, it wasn't bad. One bad variety. I was actually expecting to pay more for that and get less variety of food. You got some birthday rooms down that way, or group rooms for birthday parties and whatnot. A lot more video games over here, and a trampoline park. I think I said it was $650 for a ride. It's $750. $750 per rider. I'd always hesitated to come here just to get the coaster credit, just because of the whole thing of that you have to purchase the buffet in addition to it. But you know what? It's not that big a deal. Just come hungry. Come hungry, get yourself a coaster credit. Yeah, you'll pay a little more than some places that you can just pay for the coaster alone and that'd be it. Yeah, if you pay for the buffet plus the coaster, you're looking at about 20 bucks. Not that big a deal.